I'm a huge proponent that food does not have to be complicated to be absolutely delicious, and this smoky tuna salad is case in point. Let's make a crispy and smoky tuna salad sandwich. A good tuna salad starts with good tuna, and I really like this brand for the flavor, and you get these really beautiful fillets in the bottle. Just empty the whole bottle into a bowl along with a big scoop of mayo, some smoked paprika, a whole bunch of lemon zest, a big pinch of salt, some parsley, and fresh cracked black pepper, then just mix everything together. Try to keep it nice and chunky if you can. I mean, just look how gorgeous that is. Let's let that salad hang out and the flavors get to know each other a little bit while we toast up a little bread in some olive oil and prep a few toppings for a sandwich. I like to cut nice long pieces of cucumber and then thinly shave a bunch of slices off of a tomato. A little mayo goes on our toast, then our perfectly sized cucumbers, followed by that absolutely stunning tuna salad. Let's layer on those thinly sliced tomatoes and season the whole thing with a little cracked black pepper, and most importantly, cut the sandwich in half diagonally because that's the best way to do it. Now that is a simple, no fuss sandwich that I would eat any day of the week.
So good.